nigga just trying to cheat.
So I ain't gonna lie, no, so we standing out here right now, still, and a little bit cars pulled up, you know what I'm saying? Bro done pulled up right here, got a little vet, and like I said, the 2 chargers that were still here before, and another charge over here. But basically, oh yeah, another one over here too, by the way. Basically, what I'm saying, and now I'm just sitting here, chilling. I got out the car now, but it's gonna, oh, lamb chop. You see that lamb chop right there? Oh my God, the little green junk. I don't know if y'all see that. I don't know if it's too far. Damn, what the fuck? I don't know if that's too far away, but yeah, you know what I'm saying? But lamb chop over there, but sitting on top of my car because I'm getting these videos, you know what I'm saying? It's like a, you know what I'm saying, you know, like I said, follow me on Snapchat, because you know what I'm saying, when you follow me on Snapchat, you get behind the scenes, you know what I'm saying, everything, you feel me? So no cap, you know what I'm saying? Y'all get right. Facts. Think about it, rev it real quick. I ain't gonna lie, we currently out there, John, now, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, there's a good amount of people here, you feel me? No cap, good amount of people here, like, you know what I'm saying? Boom, boom, you feel me? Cars all lined up right there, obviously. You feel me? But yeah, though, you know what I'm saying? Damn, coloring thing over there, God, y'all know that's my dream car right there. I don't know if y'all seen that, but you know what I'm saying, yeah. I was just posting some reels and everything on TikTok or whatever, so I'm sure y'all would love TikTok. Damn, I don't know if y'all seen it by then. I probably have seen it by then, but look. And look, they getting on my, look, right here, the little TikTok I posted right here, they getting on my ass, bro. They getting on me, bro. Look, you see this? Come on, regular traffic, this and that, this and that. You know what I'm saying, bro? Either way, this how I be. The people with no cars be talking, my guy. Stop it. Stop it, my guy. It's not that, you know what I'm saying? It's not, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's not. It's not. You feel me? But it's all good. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. So look, lately, I ain't gonna lie. My girl got me hooked on this lemonade, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I've been drinking a lot of lemonade lately. No, yeah, fiending. Heck is bro talking about? Police came here, no, yeah,
we're not blocking the parks, they don't care. They don't know me. They gotta go look at the sticker, man.
That's how you know he's a lion. Get him first. I told us to leave. Damn, chill out. Police had told us to leave, so now we about to, you know what I'm saying, ride out. We gotta see where we about to go right now. To be honest with y'all, but yeah, you know what I'm saying? We got, like I'm saying, a good amount of people with us. Fatty waddies and all types of stuff. Let me start my baby up. Oh my God, you probably didn't even hear none of that, to be honest with you, but still, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I don't know where we're gonna go. I'm gonna turn the camera on whenever, you know what I'm saying, something happens. Probably try to record in traffic, but I don't know, we'll see, you know what I'm saying? I gotta put my glasses on though, cause I gotta see, you feel me? Well, yeah. And look, since I don't have a cameraman, I cannot record and drive, but the police is right there, by the way. You know what I'm saying? Just sitting there looking and stuff. But that's why y'all gotta follow me on Snapchat, at BaseTay on Snapchat, because you know what I'm saying, right now I can record my Snapchats, but I can't hold a big ass camera, you know what I'm saying? So look, y'all follow me on Snapchat. This is my Snapchat right here. BaseTay. Y'all follow me on Snapchat, you know what I'm saying, so I can get it right. No cap. Link in the bio too. But we about to get driving. I'm gonna try to record a little bit, you know what I'm saying, while we driving. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna try to record a little bit. You know what I'm saying, but I can't record everything though, because you know what I'm saying, like I said, I got no cameraman. I gotta pay attention. We got a lot of cars on the road with us, so we gotta, you know what I'm saying, I gotta lock in realistically. So that's what we about to do, lock in and stuff like that. So yeah, hold on, I gotta turn, I gotta switch lanes, whoa! No cap, no cap, Fatty waddies on game. Straight. Fatty waddies out there. Nasty, my nigga. Okay. I ain't gonna lie, this y'all crazy. Say fatty waddies. Okay. This is crazy. Stop playing, my guy. Them boys out that bit. Them boys out here acting crazy. Let me get out there so I can get crazy too. Okay. This boy acting crazy. This boy acting overly crazy, my guy. Overly okay, overly crazy. These boys acting real different. Overly crazy, okay. Okay. Stop playing with them. I'm not gonna, I came out here for the real action, you know what I'm saying? Cause look, listen, I said it's getting overly crazy out here right now. You know, yeah. Y'all hit that subscribe button for me, no cap, because I'm out here, you know what I'm saying, getting crazy. Hey look, that's his whip right there. Somebody didn't move.
I was like, wait a minute, what the fuck?
So look, you know what I'm saying? We're out here, we all deep as fuck. Deep as heck, you know what I'm saying? Hold up. I don't know if I'm recording in 4K right now. I'm gonna try to check. Alright, I'm not recording in 4K, but I'm saying I feel like I'm recording in some kind of 4K because it feels so zoomed in. I ain't gonna lie, I don't feel like the wide angle no more. Man, I feel the wide angle, but it's not like the usual wide angle, but yeah. How about listen to that shit? Okay. 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 They got a wide body Durango over there. The wide body Durango thing over there. You know what I'm saying? Hold up. Think about it, I ain't know we was this deep, bro. Realistically, I did not know we was this deep at all. You know what I'm saying? But we try to step over here real quick. Niggas how that shade, my God. I'm black, yeah, alright. But I ain't know we was this deep though, you feel me? Low-key deep as I don't know what, my guy. Right. Nah, this right here is crazy. Man, I probably have seen something like this before, but that little thing. Alright, so look, I can't really record inside because, you know what I'm saying, all the music and stuff like that. I'm gonna end up getting copyrighted with that music, but look, listen, you know what I'm saying, it's a rap review, you know what I'm saying, from, you know what I'm saying, it's up for cash and everything, so look, listen, I ain't gonna lie, it's overly active. You see all these cars out here, bro, it's overly active, you feel me? Overly active. I ain't gonna lie. So yeah, it's gonna be lit, you know what I'm saying, and yeah, I'm telling y'all, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be crazy, my guy. But that's what it is. No yappity, my guy. I ain't lying. This is a little cool spot though. That's what it is though. I can't show you, I can see it fully, but you know what I'm saying? This is a little cool spot though. This is a little cool place. A little cool place. Okay. Alright, so I ain't gonna lie, right now, you know what I'm saying, I think they about to do a rap reveal. It's been a couple hours. I ain't gonna lie, it's 4 o'clock now. I think we got here around like, I don't know, like 2 something. And it's about 4 o'clock now. I'm tired. No, yeah, and I'm hot, but to cool it down now, we about to go see this thing, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, ready to see, oh yeah. I ain't gonna lie, it is a lot of people here, my guy. Okay, if I didn't think about it, but there's a lot on game. I ain't gonna lie, I'm ready.
Yo, we appreciate y'all coming out, though. I mean, Rappers Orlando, I appreciate y'all hosting this event for us and shit like that, letting us come bombard the space. I've been fucking with these guys for a few years now. I mean, at first it wasn't all good, but fuck all of that. It's great right now. So, us at 407 Mopar, we appreciate you, bro.
Thank you so much for your loyalty, bud, to the brand. Put a lot of hours into this car, about 150 hours. We're really excited to see your guys' reaction. Let's hit the lights and then let's pull it off. Hey.
Close that shit. Close it. Illuminate. What that say? Illuminate. Kitty party. What? Yo, what?
Kitty party! Kitty party!
Let's go! Yes, sir.
Trying to cheat up. You a nigga get packed up. Oh yeah. Riding in a black truck. Oh yeah. You out for the crack up. Oh yeah. I ain't finna cuss hurt. Oh nah. Why you so butt hurt? Oh yeah. This for a big flirt. Oh nah. Riding with the top hurt. Yeah. Oh yeah. My mom said dodge hurt. Oh yeah, I'm a real damn shopper. Oh yeah, got 40 getting blacked up. Oh nah, did a blow a nigga head up. Oh yeah, I'm fucking no crackers. Oh yeah, whoa, got a nigga whacked up. Oh yeah, killer up, get him cropped out. Oh yeah, knock him off with a dick strap. Oh yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, now since we seen a rap, I ain't gonna lie, that joint actually hard, no cap. I like that, cause bro, I be seeing a lot of people pop out with raps with like, I'm saying the most like eye-catching colors, I ain't gonna lie. And I need, bro, I'm telling you, like, I might not get, you know what I'm saying, a full rap, bro, but trust me, I'm gonna get something that's eye-catching. And people, like I said, people on my TikTok talking about regular traffic, trust me, when I get this, you know what I'm saying, what I'm gonna get, trust me, it ain't gonna be looking like that no more. That's like people say my car is regular traffic just because I got no rims. You feel me? I got base model rims, bro. Just watch. Trust me, it's gonna get better. It's gonna get crazy, you know what I'm saying, with the next couple weeks. So yeah, lock in, my guys. But I don't know what else we're about to do. My camera, I don't want to end up dying, so I'm turning it off while we're here because ain't nothing really to record unless something else happens. You know what I'm saying, that's interesting to record. I turn it on, but until then, yeah, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna lock in with y'all. You know what I'm saying, when time goes, I think we're going downtown. We're gonna do a little, you know what I'm saying, I don't know. But we're gonna do something, so we're gonna see. No yappity, I'm gonna tune y'all in.
Run it right here, right now. I got a 4-cylinder. It's got a turbo.
Nigga just trying to cheat.